Who should we talk to?
I don't know. What about my Uncle Harold?
Or my Aunt Janine? Or Beetlejuice.
Beetlejuice! Beetlejuice!
It's showtime!
The fuck?
Hey guys, it's Alicia for Creepy Corner with Alley Cat Games. Today we're going to be making some Beetlejuice Spiked Punch.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah! I've got Chris and Aaliyah here with me today, and we're going to make some alcoholic drinks. Remember, drink responsibly. Please, no children under the age of 21 recreate this.
Unless you're in Canada. Be
Oh,
like
yeah,
19
legit.
or whatever.
If you're not old enough to drink, just don't do it.
Yeah.
Be responsible.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're gonna make some purple drinks today. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm excited. All of the alcohol.
Yeah. And I hope it tastes good.
It's gonna taste amazing.
Okay.
So what we will be needing is some vodka, some blue Curacao stuff.
That thing.
Yep.
Cranberry juice.
Cranberry juice.
Grenadine.
Yes.
Sweet and sour mix.
Yeah.
Pretty sugar to run the glasses with.
Yeah. We've got some green.
Pro tip from Chris earlier, don't go out and buy colored sugar.
Yes.
Make colored sugar.
Yeah, so you just fill up a container with some sugar, like basic old granulated sugar, add a few drops of food coloring and just make sure the lid is on it, and then you can just shake it up and it'll make colored sugar. Don't add too much at a time because that'd be a bad time, but
yeah,
just a few drops at a time, shake it up. You can get your own creepy neon green sugar.
Mm-hmm.
or any color you choose.
Cups.
Beetlejuice. So, I thought you wore, black and white stripes all the time. What is this?
This is my Halloween costume. I'm a lumberjack.
Oh, I see.
Oh, yeah.
I just got lazy. Didn't feel like putting on my striped jacket. Stripes are out
Yeah.
this season.
Flannels in.
Let's get to making some juice.
Rim the the rim of the glass. Here I'm just using the sweet and sour mix because I don't have a lime. I'm not classy.
Do it. Oh, that's so cute.
Not enough. Does that work?
Yeah. Ish.
Sorta.
Still works. Doesn't matter. Doesn't have to be pretty because Beetlejuice isn't pretty. I mean, I'm pretty.
You're pretty.
And so pretty. It ain't a party until it's a green sugar party. That didn't make any sense. But whatever, we'll go with it. Ooh.
Damn.
I like it. Did you put enough on?
I did.
We were much more liberal with our sugar.
Oh no. Looks nice. Okay, so next you want to do 1.5 parts vodka. So, we're awesome and don't have a drink shaker, so we're just gonna kind of play this by ear and mix it all together in a cup.
Think Beetlejuice has a cocktail shaker?
Probably not.
Probably not.
That's
No.
okay. So for vodka, you're gonna do 1.5 parts vodka.
Now, we do realize that this is a tall shot glass.
So I'm gonna say this is about 1.5.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, God.
Nice.
Oh, God. Please send help.
1 part of the blue
Curacao.
stuff.
Curry poo poo. Sharing.
It's caring. Okay. Oh, it smells like. Oh, okay. I was gonna say it smells like oranges.
Yeah.
There's an orange on the front. Mmm. It's so good. All right. Blue Curacao. You're not gonna want to do it all the way up because it's huge. But for you, if you want to do that, that's fine.
Yeah. Live your dreams.
Mm-hmm.
Live your best life.
You're the one who has to
Responsibly.
ingest it.
Responsibly. That's a good one.
This looks so cool in this shot
This
glass.
does.
But if you took a shot of that, you might die of sadness.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Here you go.
Thank Thank you.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
I have a feeling these are gonna taste delicious. Alright. Next it'll be 1 part sweet and sour.
Just keep swimming.
This literally matches your hair right now.
It does! Yay!
We planned that.
That is fantastic. Next will be 1 part grenadine.
Hopefully this turns it purple.
It should.
It should. Sealed.
It's sealed.
See, safety first.
Yep. Don't use your teeth.
Unless you're Beetlejuice. You
What?
can.
I didn't want to put my mouth
By
on it.
law.
And plus, that's not going in your mouth.
Alcohol will kill germs. We're fine.
But grenadine's not.
Can you put that in the
No, I
box?
meant all the vodka that's going to be in this drink.
Oh, true.
It will kill the germs.
Yeah.
All the germs in Beetlejuice's mouth? I don't think so.
Ah.
I don't think all the vodka in the world could
Ooh.
clean that.
And
Yeah.
that's how the zombie apocalypse starts.
Yep.
Oh, that's a lot of grenadine.
That's okay. I want this to be purple.
Oh, shit.
Almost. Almost.
Oh my god, that tastes so good.
Next time on AKG, Alicia just chugging grenadine.
I'm alright with that. Alright, and then last but not least, the cranberry juice.
Cranberry juice. It's good for you, right?
Ba-da-da-da.
Yeah, this will clean you out. You
Again,
got a
healthy.
UTI?
Yeah, prevent UTIs.
Oh.
Beetlejuice's mission in life. We need it.
Alright, and then 1 part of the cranberry juice. Whee! That's looking
Yay,
purple!
it's purple.
There we go.
I like it. I like it.
100% juice.
Yeah,
Or
that's just
100% demons.
This is 100% demons. It's mislabeled.
And then if you want to get super fancy with it, you can always add a nice little handy dandy straw.
Should we get ice so it looks more purple? Like, it'll show the color. Because it'll be white in there.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, do we want to
Yeah,
get
I'm
some
gonna go
ice?
get some ice.
Okay.
I can't see anything.
You can't see anything?
I'm blind.
Or you're not wearing glasses?
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Want a cage fight?
No.
Oh, you don't want to cage fight me?
No. No. You're gonna shank me. You're gonna die.
Want to lick Chris's glass? What time even is it? How early are we having this alcohol?
I don't know. I think it's like 11:30. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's so pretty.
Dang.
Alright, now how does it taste?
Oh,
Well, hold on. We have to make these look super fancy with Beetlejuice straws.
Oh my god.
Oh wait, they're Beetlejuice straws. I don't want to know where you've been keeping those.
My vagina.
Whoa! Mm,
No, they've
that's
been in
what-
this little guy right
My
here.
peacock.
You can find this at, you can probably find them at, I don't know, like a Target or a craft store or a liquor store.
A lot of places have these cute little straws.
Amazon.
And they're paper so they won't kill sea turtles.
There you go.
There you go.
Biodegradable. High five.
Ooh.
Beetlejuice for sustainability.
Oh, how many times have we said it?
Oh.
Too many.
Too
We
many.
said it at least 4 or 5. He's already here though.
Oh shit. Alright, ready?
Oh, yeah.
Pro.
Cheers. Oh, that's
Dang.
good.
Oh,
Is
I
yours
didn't mix
strong?
mine first.
Oh.
Ah! I got a good amount of the vodka at the bottom, but
Ooh.
that's good.
Oh, it's good with the sugar.
Yeah.
Because sugar, it's delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Dang, that is...
I
Be
like
careful
that.
on your ratios, people.
Yeah.
But it's a really nice, creepily purple drink.
Yeah. So, And then he was all like, I'm gonna catch you in your dreams. And I'm like, bitch, I don't dream.
Oh, God.
That was really funny.
That's very
No, that was good times.
Sounds kind of scary.
He's not that scary. I mean, he's fun to take to a lady favor place, but that's about it.
lady favorite.
Yeah, you know I like it. Oh, Lydia's calling. Gotta go. Sorry, ladies.
What?
Wait, but
What?